Throughout Business Hub, you have the ability to assign orders to team members or equipment. So if I come in here into a production, I can select an order, and over here I can assign it. Now when I assign it, I'm assigning it to a team member. But do know that a team member staff account can be equipment. So I could assign it to Zach, or I could assign it to Press 1. Up top here, we have our different columns. And if I come all the way down here, we can see sales assign and production assign. So I'll do production assign. Scroll here. And I can view, okay, what are all the jobs assigned to the press or this particular team member? And we're going to see what jobs are currently on their plate. Or maybe I'm the press operator and I only want to see jobs that are going to be coming to me or I need to be knocking out right now. I can sort by the production assign, and it's very helpful. You can also assign orders by using barcodes. So I could have scanned the order worksheet and then I could have scanned an action to assign the job. When I scan the worksheet, it's going to pull up the job here, and then it's going to be updating the action right here, allowing us to assign the job or this particular line. It's not just the entire order. You can assign individual line items to different team members or, again, pieces of equipment depending on how you're using your staff accounts. If you don't remember how to create staff accounts, simply come back to the admin. You have the ability to add new staff accounts. Once you have added a staff account, you want to set the role. The role will determine what all they see and can do throughout DecoNetwork, in this case, Business Hub, when they're processing orders. It's really that easy to assign a job to a particular team member or piece of equipment in Business Hub.